Three, two, one.
What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, February 6, 2020. I'm bringing back the 3, 2, 1 because we are getting ready to possibly enter a massive Bitcoin bull market with new all-time highs. I'm saying that straight out because I think that's why most of us are here. I think that's why most of us are watching the markets. I want to jump into the charts. I want to prepare our minds. I want to prepare our mentality for this bull market that is potentially, speculatively, on its way, all-time highs. I want to just zoom out all the way on the charts. This is my favorite chart, my absolute favorite chart. Let's go to October 2010 here. Let's just look at the story of Bitcoin, 50,000% gains to the upper trend line. Now let's go to the halving, 2012. From the halving to the next all-time high, upper trend line, we can say over 9,000% gains. From the 2016 halving to all-time high, everybody remembers this one, the 2017, 2018, just crazy crypto markets, over 3,000% gains from that halving. Now, speculatively, according to this chart, I created this chart back in December 2018, but speculatively, a new all-time high in the $90,000 to $100,000 range. Don't know where Bitcoin price will be exactly at the Bitcoin halving. Let's just assume it's where it is now, right? I think it'll actually be higher, but let's assume it's around where it is now to that next all-time high. Let's take it up to around 100,000, and we have around almost 1,000% gains. To a lot of people, 1,000% gains is not good enough. For many people accumulating Bitcoin for years now, it is good enough. There are altcoins I think that you can integrate into your portfolio to really maximize gains. Many altcoins are going to outperform Bitcoin. I am pretty sure about that. But in terms of safety, portfolio safety, and long-term trend of just a usable cryptocurrency that is literally changing traditional finance, Bitcoin is my play. Bitcoin is my number one cryptocurrency. And we have things going on like this recent news, Lightning Labs raising a 10 million Series A, Elizabeth Stark making moves. There's progress. There's innovation in terms of Bitcoin. And it's not just this speculative thing that people are putting this magical value on. It is increasing in value because market demand is increasing, and it will continue to increase as circulating supply starts to slow down. And then we have the story of the halving. 95 days, we have this countdown here, 95 days. Now, if we look back at the charts, and here's where it really does get speculative, right? We're taking historical data and we're assuming that the same thing is going to happen again. But when you're investing in anything, that's what you're doing, right? So we're going back historically and we're saying, okay, 2012 halving, it was kind of like Bitcoin trading at, $11. And after the halving, Bitcoin just made a crazy move, right? It's like that supply demand factor did something. All-time high to over $1,000, and then Bitcoin came back down into a bear market. And then leading into the next halving, what happened? And the charts look so similar around halving if you look at these circles. Well, Bitcoin was trading around halving at like $600 some, and then Bitcoin made another all-time high to, we all know, $20,000. Bitcoin goes and falls into a bear market. These are the cycles of Bitcoin. And if we zoom out on this chart, we really get a sense of what Bitcoin's doing. We also get a sense of how many halvings there are to come. Remember, this is a scenario that plays out over and over. So it really is the perfect illustration of the mental aspect of this game. We can do videos on the 4-hour chart, on the daily chart. We can do videos every day talking about and speculating where the next $500 or $1,000 move is coming for Bitcoin. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter at all. This is what matters. This is the chart that matters. This is the chart to prepare for. If you want to prepare for your future, and if you want to play that speculative game, if you have money that you can afford to lose, because this is risky, right? And if you're not taking financial advice from YouTubers, I want to throw that out there. This chart is beautiful. The potential for continuation in what's going on right now, specifically around these halvings, can change your life. And I truly believe that it's pretty much one of the main reasons I've invested in Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. There's so much potential for these long-term gains. It's there. The innovation, the tech is amazing. These things are cool, but come on, we can't deny that pretty much everybody here is here to make some money, right? It's an investment. We're trying to take care of ourselves, our families, and that is okay. I just really wanted to do this chart. Bitcoin's approaching 10,000. Everybody gets excited at that 10,000 mark. We'll track it. We'll zoom back in on the charts, but I think it's always good to kind of reel it all in, put it all into context, and just slow it down. Patience, everybody. Let me know your thoughts below. Do you think this chart looks as beautiful as I do? Press 1 if you do in the comments below. I appreciate you coming by. If you're here and you're not a subscriber, just hit the subscribe button. I extremely appreciate it. I appreciate you. Hit the like button on your way out. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day and God bless.